Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use your Zappos credit. Zappos credit comes in a couple of forms. You might have store credit from a return where you chose to receive credit instead of a refund. Alternatively, if you are an Amazon employee, you likely have a safety shoe subsidy, often around $110 for approved footwear. Understanding the source of your credit is the first step to using it effectively for your next purchase. Now, let's find out how much credit you have. For general store credit, simply log into your Zappos account on the website or app. Your balance will be displayed in the My Account section. If you are an Amazon employee, navigate to Zappos via your company's internal resources, like the A to Z app. When you add an eligible item to your cart, your available subsidy balance will often appear at checkout, showing you exactly how much you have to spend. Ready to make a purchase? It's quite straightforward. Once you've added your chosen items to your Zappos cart, proceed to checkout. Your available Zappos credit, whether it's store credit or an employee subsidy, will automatically apply to eligible purchases. For example, if you have a $110 subsidy, it will cover up to that amount. If your total is more than your credit, you can easily pay the difference using a debit or credit card. Here are some important tips to remember. General Zappos store credit usually does not expire, offering you flexibility. However, Amazon employee subsidies often renew each year, so be mindful of any deadlines for using your current year's credit. Your credit is linked to your specific Zappos account and cannot be transferred. If you encounter any issues or have questions, the Zappos customer loyalty team is available around the clock to provide assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.